Achtbare Voorzitter, Honorable Minister, you are the political head of the South African Police Services. One of the big problems for the police services is the fact that the political governors are not delivering services to communities. And that means that there's a burden put on the soldiers of our police members to ensure that there's peace and stability because the lack of services of political governments of the ANC. And I appeal to you that you stand up in cabinet and ensure that where the ANC govern, especially on local government level, that they deliver properly and proper services so that we do not overstress our members from the police services. I saw it in Northwest last month. The intervention unit, they work 24 hours. They had to wait there all the time because the mayor of JB Marks does not want to communicate with the community. That's unacceptable. I also want to say, Honourable Chair, that I want to say to the Honourable Minister, when you talk about an amnesty for firearms, the Freedom Front Plus will only support it if in that amnesty period provision is made that owners of expired firearms licenses will be able to reapply and renew their licenses. Because you know, the police services don't have the capacity to safe protection and handling of firearms if they had to be handed in to the police services. And let me also say, I've asked the Honourable Minister and he gave me the statistics since 2015. Let me also say that more people in South Africa are killed by knives and other sharp objects than by firearms. That's a figure from the Honourable Minister. And therefore I want to say, South Africa became a violent country and people need firearms to protect themselves. Honourable Minister, you are surrounded by VIP bodyguards. And I saw all of them are carrying firearms. Why? Why can't they protect you then without the firearm? But we expect from the communities and the people to not have firearms. Ek wil ook sê, agbare voorsitter, as ek praat oor plaasmoorde, daar is lig in die tonnel. Ek kan sê dat deur verskeie gesprekke wat ek gehad het met die nasionale polisiekommissaris, ook met die minister, is daar nou gesprekke wat reeds plaasgevind het en verder gaan plaasvind tussen die Transvaalse Landbou-Unie van Suid-Afrika. Daar is ook gesprekke met Agri Suid-Afrika en my terugvoering is dat daar goeie samewerking begin ontwikkel tussen die polisie, hierdie landbouorganisasies wat hulle landelike beveiliging betref, wat daardeur ook 'n veiligheidsstrategie sal hê wat die gemeenskappe en die boere sal.
Can we proceed? Honourable member, take your podium, please.
Dankie voorsitter, dit was 'n aangename ruskansie. Laat ek dit sê is dat ek wil graag ook vir die kommissaris en die minister sê, volg asseblief daardie gesprekke op, sodat ons 'n beter en veiliger landelike omgewing kan skep en help ook om boere te beskerm om plaasmoorde te voorkom. Die Vryheidsfront is voorsitter, jy moet net my tyd aanpas. Kom ek net vir jy sê, ek wou nou Engels gepraat het, maar nou sal ek nie, ek sal Afrikaans praat. Kom ek net vir die agbare minister sê, ons verwelkom spesialis eenhede, want dit is die oplossing, veral as ons praat van geweldsmisdade. Ek gaan afsluit met 'n paar sekondes, voorsitter. Dit is duidelik. As dit gaan oor taal, die Vryheidsfront Plus is ten gunste van al 11 amptelike tale. En ek wil nou vir u sê, Afrikaans is 'n inheemse taal En ons sal aanhou met Afrikaans om Suid-Afrika te dekoloniseer. Maar ons het 'n aantal nuwe kolonialiste, want rooi is hier in die raadsaal, want hulle is verskriklik lief vir Engels. Hulle kan net Engels praat. It's fine if you're in love with English. You are in love with the colonial language of the past.